What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to this new episode of Restorations with Vic. As you can see, we got a whole new setup this week. We're not at Quinn's. We couldn't film there, so we brought the whole setup to Jake's house. We got a white backdrop, we brought the lights, got the table over here. We're ready to go. Quick update, the new place is still in the works. The studio is still into construction. 1 or 2 months, it'll be ready to go. I can't wait, it's so close, but it just feels so far away. Once we're in that place, we'll be good to go, guys. So what I'm gonna show you guys how to restore are these 2007 Air Jordan 1 Olive Black Toes. This shoe is beat up. We're gonna go in, give the shoe a proper deep clean inside and out, only using Reshoevn8r products. We'll also remove the yellowing off the midsoles and repaint the uppers. Get rid of all the scratches using the sandpaper method and do any other touch-ups needed on the shoe. We got some work, guys, so let's get started. So today we're gonna be doing things a little bit differently. Instead of doing the cleaning right away, we're gonna go ahead and remove the yellowing off the midsoles first using Salon Care 40 and Saran Wrap. Good to go. Let's go ahead and go outside, put them under the Arizona sun. All right, guys, we are back. We got the sole completely deoxidized. The yellow came out with no problem. It's a little hard to tell right now since the grime is still on the sole, but once we get it all cleaned up, you'll see what I'm talking about. So let's get started with the cleaning. For this cleaning, we're gonna be using Reshoevn8r Street Brush Advanced Laundry System, along with our help from our Sneaker Laundry Detergent. We'll use all this stuff so you get this cleaning done right, and you can find all this stuff you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. Let's get it started. First step we gotta do is remove our shoelaces and insole. This thing is beat. Now the next step we gotta do is grab our Reshoevn8r shoe tree, adjust it to size, and put it inside the shoe. Good to go with that. What the shoe tree is gonna do for us is help remove the creasing off the shoe once the shoe is fully dried and clean. Now let's grab our bowl of water and our solution and squirt a couple of squirts. Bam. Now the first brush we're gonna be using is our soft bristle brush so we can soak up the uppers. Looking good, guys. Got the uppers fully soaked up. We're gonna let the suds sit on the uppers for a little while so it can break down the dirt. Now let's take out our shoe tree so we can continue using the soft bristle brush to scrub the insides of the shoe because these insides are disgusting. Insides are scrubbed down, guys. We'll let the washing machine take care of anything I might have missed. Let's put this shoe to the side real quick. Grab our insole. While we're still using the soft bristle brush, let's scrub it down. So Buster, you're in my shot. Okay, all done with that. Now let's move on to our next brush, which is our medium brush. This brush is gonna be used for the uppers. Overall, the uppers are pretty cleaned up, but I see a couple of stains here and there on the white leather specifically. This brush is gonna help take care of that. Okay, last brush we're gonna be using is our stiff bristle brush. We'll use this brush to scrub down the midsoles and soles so we can wrap it up and put them in the washing machine. All done with that, guys. Shoe is fully pre-treated, good to go. Same thing with the insole. Last step I gotta do is grab our shoelaces, grab our bowl of water and solution, dunk them in there so it can break down the dirt, and then we'll let the washing machine take care of the rest. Let's grab our single laundry bag. Grab our shoe so we can put it inside. To the washer. Time to wash the shoe. We made it to Jake's laundry room. As always, we're gonna put the shoe inside our washing machine, use cold water with the regular cycle, and of course, a full ounce of our single laundry detergent. All right, guys, we are back. We got the shoe fully dried and clean, fully disinfected inside and out. It's ready to go thanks to our 3-brush advanced laundry system from Reshoevn8r. Now, we already went ahead and took care of the soles. They're already back to white. So for the rest of the video, we're gonna be focusing on the uppers. What we gotta do next, using some 400 grit sandpaper, is sand down some really rough areas on the leather, specifically right here, and some areas on the toe box before we can paint it. All done with the sanding, guys. We did the best we could. Some of the areas are still kind of rough, but we did the best we could. Now we're gonna finish off the prep work by using some acetone and cotton balls to prep the areas that we're gonna paint. Good to go with the prep work, guys. The last step we gotta do before we start painting is hit the entire shoe with the lighter. What this does is that it burns off any little frayed stitching all over the shoe, and it gives you a better quality paint job at the end. Let's play with some fire. Prep work's good to go, guys. Let's get started painting. The first color we're gonna lay down is the white paint on the toe box and the side panels. White's done, black's good to go. Now let's finish off with the red. For the red mixture, I use 3 different colors: scarlet red, magenta, and red. I don't have the exact ratios for you guys. Just mess around with those colors and you guys will get the perfect mix. All done with this repaint, guys. Super simple to do. Now the last step I gotta do to protect this paint job is to go outside and spray it with some Krylon matte finish. Let's go. Ow. I dropped my phone on my toe. Ah. All right, YouTube, that is gonna bring us to an end on this full restoration on these 2007 Air Jordan O Love 1s. This shoe turned out great overall compared to what they used to look like. I do want to mention there are a couple of permanent damages on the shoe. For example, one being this big old hole on the soles. The only way to fix that is by removing the sole and swapping it with a brand new sole. Hopefully in the near future I can show you guys how to do that. Now let's go ahead and break down exactly what I did to make this restoration happen. The first step I did was give the shoe a proper deep clean inside and out using Reshoevn8r products. We use our 3-brush advanced laundry system and our detergent. So let's go ahead and break down exactly what I did to make this restoration happen. The first thing I did was remove the yellowing off the soles using Salon Care 40 and the sun. Once that was done, I did a lot of prep work on the uppers. I sanded it down. I used acetone before I painted it. We painted the black, we painted the white, and we mixed the red and got a perfect match and took care of that as well. And of course, I gave the shoe a good proper deep clean inside and out using Reshoevn8r's 3-brush advanced laundry system and our detergent that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. This is Vick Almighty. I'll see you guys next Monday.